Hey Jordan, so must have gotten cut off there, but I'm just gonna send you this video on how to actually go through this thing. So they're asking for the x and y intercepts out of this. So if you want to find the x-intercepts, you let let y equal to 0. Okay, and in this case right here, so that's gonna be 3x minus 2 times 0 equals 6. So that's really just 3x equals 6. And then when I isolate x, I get x equals to 2. So remember, really what that means is this is the point 2 comma 0, because the y value is already 0 up top there. Similar idea when we're doing the y-intercept. Okay, you're going to let x equal to 0. Okay, so in this case, I have 3 times 0 minus 2y equals to 6. So I get negative 2y equals 6. And divide by negative 2 on both sides, and I get y equals to 3. Okay, so that means that we're really looking at the coordinate pair 0, 3. Okay, and those are our x and y intercepts. Okay, I hope that helps.